Hello, my name is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Chevy Colorado. I'll show you everything I would want to know if I were in your position. Couldn't quite see it in person yet. It's in this beautiful Cajun red. Bumper's pretty clear of like rock chips, some other things you might see. There is an imperfection here where the paint's starting to bubble a little. Kind of hard to focus in on. See my finger for reference. It's just right there. You can feel it. There's one rock chip there and one there. Now there is a mark in the paint here. You can feel it when you run your finger over it. It's going to be very hard to show up on camera. Here it is, about a ½ inch right there. And you also have one of those right down in here, about the same size on there. Now heading into the pickup, you have some scratches here near the door handle. It's going to be very hard to see, but there are a couple there. When you enter inside, there's a few just scuffs and marks in the plastic. Interior is clear of any rips or tears. You have a stain right here on the driver's seat. And then you have some marks where these visors are, just like someone had dirty fingers when they were grabbing it. And you have one stain up in the headliner there. Head to the back seat here. Doesn't look like it was sat in much back here. You have a bit of a stain there you can see in the leather, but that's about it. And some scratching just below the charging port there, the plastic. You have one scratch right here. Hard to pick up. There it is, right along there, just above the wheel. This is the trifold tonneau. I just had it up, so I wouldn't be able to do it one-handed, but there it is. No tears or anything like that in there. Bumper is in great condition. Bed liner here by Line-X. Has held up very well. No gashes or anything like that. Coming along to this side, you have a scratch that starts about here and continues on, and then has a bit of a break and continues on along here. I doubt this is going to pick up. You can see it. You can see it pretty clearly. Otherwise, you can't feel it though. It didn't like go past the clear coat, anything like that. And you have a scratch here above the wheel well. And zoom in for you. Scratch right there as well. Here on this protective panel, it's starting to bubble up a little bit in the top corner. Kind of see there. Heading over to this side, great condition. On the passenger side, you do have another scratch over here. This one you can't feel, you can see it. There you go, right along there. And you have some scratching along here. Very hard to pick up. There's a small one there. And then there's a bit of a scuff right there that can't get off. You have a scratch here. Go to the front passenger. You have a scrape here along the side in the plastic. You can feel that guy. A scrape here as well. And just some miscellaneous ones throughout. That scrape there as well. And I am seeing a snag in the leather here in that center console. Come along here, show you the tread left and all the tires. Good tread. Then along here you have another slight scratch. You can't feel it, but you can see it. Theoretically, in person you can. That won't show. Alright, there you have it, the tour of the 2017 Chevy Colorado. Thanks so much.